Hello and good morning. I'm really excited for this hike. This is going to be the Godley Head walking track, and right now I'm at a beach called Taylor's Mistake. The story behind that name is that there was a sailor, last name Taylor, and accidentally came to this area thinking that it was Littleton, which is on the opposite side of this hill right here. But the name stuck, Taylor's Mistake, and this is what it looks like. And I'll never get tired of seeing the sheep on the hills. So cute. That's where I just came from, that beautiful little walkway. Oh, so beautiful. There it is. And a yellow bird flying away. Godley Head. This is the most remarkable thing. The little boat in the distance, the cliffs there, oh my goodness. Here's a fun fact. In New Zealand, instead of saying hiking trail, they'll typically say track. And instead of saying hiking, they'll say tramping. Also, another useful thing is they'll very typically put the hours or minutes of how long the walking times will be to get to the different destinations on here. I love little things like that. To anyone who might be watching this video, I hope that you can use this as inspiration to go on your own adventures, wherever you might be. And to my family and friends, I hope that one day you can join me out here as well. Life finds a way, just like you'll find a way. I don't know if you can see them, but there's sheep right there, just hanging out. I don't want to interrupt them. This is just such a peaceful, like, magical fairy tale land. I can always come back. It's only 30 minutes from home. Alright, bye sheepies. What a life to just chill by the coast all day and eat grass and relax. I just found the perfect bench right here, and I'm gonna practice my drone flying. Hopefully I can fly along this beach and have a nice vantage point. Preferably always have the drone within my sight, and we'll just practice and see how it goes. This is only day 3 with my drone and I'm already obsessed with it, so I think it'll just make my videos that much more fun to make and watch. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Well, thanks for joining me. I'll leave you with one last final thing. This here is barbed wire. Now, it's pretty commonplace, but the thing is, where was it invented? It was invented in DeKalb, Illinois, where I went to college, Northern Illinois University. And now it's all the way over here. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.